Today we're going to remove the intake and exhaust camshaft positioning sensors on this 2011 BMW 328i. Alright, we're going to be using an Allen wrench size. It looks like this is a size 5. There it is. To remove these screws from here and just put these in a nice safe location. And we'll bring this over just to give us a little bit more access to get to those bolts down there. There are 2 of them, one here and one right there. Alright, next thing we're going to do is just going to go ahead and push this in like that, and you'll be able to pull this pigtail out. Alright, there's the first one. Now I'm going to go ahead and get the second one off. Alright, and there's the second one. Now let's go ahead and remove these 2 bolts. Looks like they're 10 millimeters. Let's see. Yep, and they are 2 10 millimeters. So let's go ahead and loosen these up. Alrighty, here comes the second one. And just put these in a nice safe location. There it is. Alright, now we should be able to wiggle these out of here. Alrighty, here comes the first one. Using a rag because the motor's still freaking hot. There it is. Oh, that looks not good. Alright, now we'll go ahead and remove this lower one. Oh, it's hot in here. Alright, and here comes the bottom one. Oh, that was a mistake. Super hot still. Alright, and there it is. Sweet. Now we just have to go to our local parts store and buy the replacements. But that's how you remove those from there. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.